guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest. Turn your notification on. After you subscribe to my channel, you can get the latest on hauls, beauty tips, glams. I'm not glammed up today, but I do have some videos that I have to just shoot out. So I'm doing that. I have some hauls that I have to get moved and shifted so I can start doing some more videos. But this is going to be a quick haul from my New York company. Basically, these hauls, they're only 2 pieces that I have to do, that I'm gonna do from New York and Companies. 2 pieces that I have. I had these garments for about 2 weeks now. I had these pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have, because I wanted to take them out the bag to go. I'm probably gonna wear this for my birthday, so I wanted to go ahead and show this to you right quick. So both of these pieces, they were on sale. They had a summer special. I'm pretty sure that the sale has probably over, but if you go to New York and Company, you're familiar with their website. They have sales all the time, so go ahead and check their site out, and they always have codes that you can use at checkout. This one was on a spring, actually was on a spring summer special that they have. So if you go ahead and go to their channel, you'll definitely see what I'm talking about, and you know, go ahead and get your shopping on, see what you guys can come on. I'm a little stuffy today, so if I sound like that, that's why. So this first piece, this is actually a halter jumper. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the bag. I'm sorry, not a halter jumper, it's a halter top. Go ahead and take this out the bag, and I'm kind of mad at myself. Happy that I got it when I did, because this one actually sold out. But I looked at the site, I believe it was last week, and this original price on this was $64. Can you guys see that? Come on, camera, come on. It's probably not gonna, are you gonna act right, camera? Okay, so it's not gonna act right. So it's $64, actually $64.95. It was $65, but when I did get it on the special that they have, the sale that they had, it came out to $40. I believe it was $44, something like that. But as you can see, it is a halter. I'm gonna stand up. It's a halter top garment, and it actually comes out. It falls all the way down to the floor, and I am going to do a video where I show you guys with it on. These can be paired up with jeans. You can wear tights, and I really love the color. That's why I purchased this one. This one is actually sold out now, and like I said, it's long, so it goes all the way to the floor. It splits in the front, and again, I am going to show you guys a picture of what it looks like, and I just thought this was super cute. It's super cute, and I might wear this for I'm really thinking about wearing this for my birthday, paired with some jeans or some tights. So yeah. So the second one is some pants. I love these pants. This is an extra large. Y'all know I am a joggers queen. I love my joggers. This is like it's like a dressy type jogger. So this can actually go so many different ways. Y'all know me, the fashionista that I am. I can pair this with you can pair this with a bodysuit. You can pair this with a flowing top. You can pair this with a tank top. I like to play with funky colors and stuff. So you can pair this with different colors. So I'm really looking forward to wearing this as well. I might wear this around my birthday as well. I just haven't decided when and how I'm going to pair this or wear this. And I'm hoping it actually fits, because it should fit. But then again, I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't right now. Even though I am on a weight loss journey, I'm still in the process of losing weight. So yeah, so I'm excited about that. And of course, every time you order from New York and Company, they will send you these wine vouchers for $100. I have several of them. I'm going to start actually using those wine vouchers. I think those have the same code on them. And it also came with the HelloFresh kit meal. So we're going to try those one of these days. But that's pretty much it. So, and actually, let me take it back. So that jumper, I'm sorry, the maxi top was actually $45.96 with the sales price. And the jogger was $41.96. So still got a good deal on it. Total with shipping, everything came out to $94. So it wasn't too bad as opposed to what it would have been if I didn't use the code that they had, the summer code. So again, if you guys are familiar with New York & Company, go ahead and check their website out. They always have something on sale. They always have something on special there. So you always get a good deal with them. So go ahead and check them out. And again, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video if you like this video. Thumbs up this video. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe. Turn your notification bells on. And I will see you guys in the next video. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. Thank you guys. Bye.